measure the weight of the body. The weight of the body is measured with the help of the spring balance. Here in the right side you can see construction of the spring balance. Maybe you have seen the different places this is spring balance. So you can see how this spring balance is made and how it is working. So we can see there spring balance. So in the spring balance you can see how it is constructed. This is the one metal frame is there, metallic case, and you can see here is the spring, upside one ring is there, here is the pointer, and it is slit on which scale is calibrated. This is the rod with which spring is connected with the help of the hook. And when nothing you have hang with the help of the spring, it is reading pointer on the 0. What is the unit here? Suppose that gram force, the 0 gram force. Now you can see when any object you will hang with the help of the hook here. Suppose that we have hang bob. We want to measure the weight of the bob. So you have hang with the help of the hook this bob here. And now you can see pointer is on 200. So you can see what is the principle of the spring balance. Principle of the spring balance is there. When you will apply the weight on the hook, weight on the spring balance, the length of the spring is changed. You will apply more weight, length will be changed more. You will apply less weight, and spring will be less elongates. Okay, so you can see when the 0 gram force is pointer, spring length is this much, and when you have hang any object here, the time spring length is increased and pointer is indicating on the 200. So the weight of this bob is 200 gram force. And here we have the one formula there. Weight is equal to mg, means in weight is made of two things. Weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So weight is depending on two things. One is the mass, one is the acceleration due to gravity. Mass will be more, weight will be more, g will be more, weight will be more. Okay, acceleration due to gravity we will learn. You should know that acceleration due to gravity means what is the acceleration produced in a free falling body, that is called the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, now we see what is the difference between mass and weight. Difference between mass and weight. What is the difference? First thing is there, we will see here what is the difference between mass and weight. This is mass and this is weight. What is the difference? First, definition. What is the definition? First difference is definition, means amount of matter contained in body is called mass, and weight, the force the earth exert on the body, that is called the weight. Means or we can say with which force earth attack to any body toward it, that is called the weight. Second, mass is scalar and this is your vector. Mass is your scalar quantity and weight is your vector, means it has magnitude and direction. Sorry, mass has only magnitude, no direction, and weight has magnitude and direction both. So it is a vector quantity, it is a scalar quantity. Third thing is there, unit of mass is kilogram, SI, and here Newton. Fourth thing, mass of the object always remain constant and weight of the object change variable. Okay, or you can see it is changeable. Weight of the body change from place to place. Okay, so these are the few differences. Other, you can find their mass is measured with the beam balance, and this you can say is spring balance. So this is the difference between mass and weight. Very easily you can find. Definition first, the both definition is the first difference. It is scalar quantity, it is vector quantity. Unit of mass is kilogram, here Newton. This is mass of the object always remains constant. Weight is changing place to place. Mass is measured with the help of the beam balance, and weight is measured with the help of the spring balance. These are the two differences between mass and weight. Now we will see